For just $300, you'll be able to become part of the blueprint that everyone talks about. It's a proven system. It teaches you all the ins and outs that you need to know about marketing, Facebook marketing, TikTok, faceless marketing if you want to do so, earning a good income from your phone, working from home, and being your own boss. So you can decide how much time you want to put in. There's a great community there with a lot of tech support. The setup's quite easy. I suggest that you use a laptop to do that, and from there you'll be able to use your phone anywhere you want. All you need is the internet connection. I don't think I need to tell you this, but this is automated system with AutoMail responder, which works in the background for you 24 hours a day. And for a limited time, I'll help a few customers setting up their funnel system for them. So if you want to find out how you can become part of this blueprint, a great community, great success, just leave a comment in the comments below and I'll get back to you.